In this video, we will see how to create multi-category charts. Here I have the sample market price data for certain food items. In the first column, we have the main categories: fruits, vegetables, and cereals. Column B contains the items of each category, and column C contains the price per kilo for each item. To plot a multi-category column chart using this data in the column A, B, and C, select this data range from A2 to C13. Go to Insert tab. In the group of charts, click on this icon for Insert Column or Bar Chart. Select Clustered Column Chart under 2D column. And here we have a multi-category column chart. These are the categories: fruits, vegetables, cereals. Then the subcategories: apple, banana, grape, tomato, broccoli, potato, cauliflower, corn, oat, spelt, and rice. Then the bars representing the market prices. To add data labels, that is price of each item, click on this green plus button. Select data labels. To modify the font size of these labels, select the data labels. Go to Home tab. Click on this button to increase the size. In the same way, we can format the axis labels. For plotting a bar chart using this same data, select the data, go to Insert tab, click on this icon for Insert Column or Bar Chart, select Clustered Bar under the section 2D bar, and here we have a multi-category bar chart. Right now the categories are not in order. To reverse the order of categories, right click on the axis, select Format Axis, and we have the dialog box for axis options. Under Axis Position, mark the checkbox for categories in reverse order. Now it's fruits, vegetables, and cereals. Now about adding a new category and related items. Type in the new data to the end of the source data. I will add a new category called dried fruits. Cashew and walnut will be the items. Then select the chart. You can see here the data range containing the source data for the chart is highlighted. Drag these borders of the source data downwards so as to accommodate the newly added data. And here you can see the chart got updated with newly added data. Data in merged cells also can be used as source data for multi-category charts. Unlike the data in first and second sheet, here the data for the main categories are in merged cells. To plot a multi-category column chart using this data in the column A, B, and C, select this data range from A2 to C13. Go to Insert tab. Select the chart type. To convert a column chart into a bar chart, click on Change Chart Type button under Design tab. Select Clustered Bar and click OK. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.